Welcome to the Bodhi Academy. My name is Amisha Kulaso, and in today's video we will start with a new chapter of class 8 chapter 11 direct and inverse proportion. Now let's start by understanding what does direct and inverse proportion mean. So let's take an example. Say the rate of something, say the rate of milk packet is say 20 rupees. Okay, so it is 20 rupees and they give maybe around 1 liter of milk. Okay, now say there is a rise in the price of the milk packet. Okay, so now this was for 1 liter. Now say we have a packet of 2 liters. Okay, so here say its price is 40 rupees. Next say there is a packet of 3 liters and say now its price is 60 rupees. So now what we notice here is that as the amount of milk or the quantity of milk is increasing, the price is also increasing. So in this case we say that the price of the milk and the quantity of the milk, they are in direct proportion. Direct proportion as in if one is increasing, the other one is also increasing. It's not like if the price is going to 40 rupees and the quantity is coming to half liters. No. So as the price is increasing, the quantity is also increasing. So in this case what is happening, that both of them increase. Okay, if the price increases, the quantity also increases. Now another example, now let's say we have inverse proportion we'll look at. In this case what will happen, now say the price is around 20 rupees and initially the quantity was 1 liters. Now say the price has become say 30 rupees but the quantity now is less than 1 liter, say it is 0.7 liters. So in this case what is happening, the price is increasing but the quantity is decreasing. So both the factors, one factor is increasing and one factor is reducing. So this is an example of inverse proportion. Okay, in this case what was happening, both factors they increase, correct? In this both one factor, one increases, other decreases. Understood the difference between direct and indirect proportion? Now say we'll try to solve one easy problem. Now the cost of 5 meters of a particular quality of cloth is rupees 210. Now tabulate the cost of 2, 4, 10 and 13 meters of cloth of the same type. So now what they are asking here is that say cost is we have to find and the meters or the how much of meter cloth is given. So in this case what we know is that cost of 5 meters is 210. Now we have to find what will be the cost for 2 meters, 4 meters, 10 meters and 13 meters. Understood? So now how we are going to find this? So we begin by writing, say now this is the cost and this is the meter. Okay, now cost is how much? 210 and meter is 5 meters we are getting. Now the first thing is how much we'll have to spend for 2 meters. So now here what we are given 2 meters. So you write that part under the meter section itself. So this will become, this is 2 meters, this is 2 meters. Now this cost is unknown to us. So now let's consider this as x, that is unknown. Now what we can do here is that we can cross multiply this and this. Okay, so if we cross multiply this, this will become 210 into 2, then you write equals to and x into 5, correct? So 210 into 2 will be how much? So 0 to 420. So this will be 420 equals to x into 5. Now this 5 if you get the other side, so 420 upon 5 equals to x. So 5 ones are 5, 8s are 40 and 2 goes here 84. So for 2 meters how much we are paying? We are paying 84 rupees. Now same way we do for the next one. Next one also again we keep this part constant. What we know we keep it constant. So we know 210 equals to how much? 5 meters. So this is cost and this is meters. So now we have to find for 4 meters. Again this is x to us, that is unknown. So now again we cross multiply. 210 into 4 equals to 5 into x. Now this will be what? 0, 4, 8 and this will be x. Now this 5 you get it in the denominator. So 5. So 5 ones are 6, 7, 8. 3 remains. So this goes as 6 are 30 and 4. So it become 8. So 168 equals to x. So for 4 meters we are going to cost 168 rupees. Sorry, 168 rupees. Similarly, next we do for 10 meters. So 10 meters it will be 210 into 10 equals to 5 into x. So this will be 210, 0 upon 5 equals to x. So 5 ones are 5 fours are 20, 5 twos are and 0. So 10 meters it will cost us 420 rupees. Last we have 210 into 13 equals to 5 into x. So 210 into 13 will do 213. So 0, 3, 6 plus 0, 1 and 2. 0, 3, 7 and 2. So this will be 2730 equals to 5 or x, and directly we write the 5 down. So 5 ones are 5, 5s are 25, 26, 27. So 2, so it's become 4 and 3 is left here. So 546. Now what we see here is that as the least one is 2 meters, so 84, and highest one is 13, 546. So what is happening gradually as the meters are increasing, the length of the the cost of the material is also increasing, correct? So what we can say that these two are in direct proportion, as in if one is increasing the other is also increasing. As the meters increase, the cost of the material also increases. Now say an electric pole 14 meters high. So height of pole is how much? 14 meters. Okay, now it casts a shadow. So its shadow is how much? 10 meters. Find the height of the tree that casts a shadow of 15 meters. So if say this is now 15 meters and this x we have to find out. So now 15 into 10 will be 150. So 150 equals to 14 into x. This and this you multiply same way. So now this will be 150 upon 14 equals to x, correct? So height is what? 14. Then we have the shadow, that is 10 meters. Now find the height of the tree. So we have to find a, sorry, one mistake. Okay. We have to find the height. Height is unknown, shadow is given. So we have I wrote it ulta. So this is what? Cast shadow of 15 meters. So this is 15 and this is x. So you have to do 14 into 15. 5 fours are 20, 5 ones are 5, 6, 7 plus 4 ones are 4, 1, 0, 7, this will become 11 and 2. So 210. So 210 equals to 10 into x, this cross multiplication. So now 210 upon 10 equals to x. So 10 ones are 10, twos are 20, 1 goes here, 10 ones are 10. So 21 x. So 21 is what? The height of the tree. Therefore the height of the tree is 21 meters. Okay. Now last one, let's look at this. Now this over here, this is a mixed fraction. This is like 2, 1 upon 2. So if the weight of 12 sheets of thick papers is 40 grams. So weight of number of sheets are how many? 12. And what is the thick papers is 40 grams. So weight is 40 here. How many sheets of the same paper would weigh 2.1 by 2? So this mixed fraction you have to convert. So if you write this is 1 upon 2. So this you multiply and this you add. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5 upon 2. So 5 upon 2 kgs. Now, okay, now here what you have to do? So now this will be what? How many sheets of the same paper would weigh 2.14 or 2.1 to 1 by 2 kilograms. Okay. So here we know that 1 gram equals to, so we have to find how much will 5 upon 2 kg be. So now you write the number of sheets here. So number of sheets we have to find, and weight is how much? 5 upon 2. So 5 upon 2, now you have to cross multiply this simply. So 5 upon 2 into 12 equals to 40 into x. So 2 ones are 2, 6 are. 6 5s are 30 equals to 40 into x. So 30 upon say 40 equals to x. This and this goes off. So we'll get about 3 by 4 sheets. So this will be maybe decimals if you do 4 upon 3. So this will become 0.0. So 4 5s are, okay, 4 6 are, 7s are 28. So come 2 and 0. So we'll get 0.74. Okay, so like this you have to solve all the problems related to direct proportion. Okay, so in next class we'll learn about the inverse proportion. So that was it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Bodhi Academy.